A groundbreaking discovery has been made by scientists at EPFL, shedding light on a rare genetic disorder and its impact on intestinal health. The key to intestinal regeneration lies in a gene called CMG2, which plays a crucial role in healing and maintaining a healthy gut. Our intestines are remarkable organs, constantly renewing themselves to keep us healthy. However, when injury occurs, a rapid response is needed to repair the damage. In rare cases, this regenerative process fails, leading to severe consequences. Hyaline Fibromatosis Syndrome, HFS, is one such condition, causing a range of symptoms, including painful skin lumps and joint issues, and in severe cases, lethal diarrhea in infants. The mystery surrounding HFS has long puzzled doctors, as the intestines of affected individuals often appear normal under a microscope. The disorder is caused by mutations in the CMG2 gene, but its precise role in gut biology was unclear until now. Intestinal repair relies on a small group of stem cells located at the base of intestinal crypts. These stem cells have the remarkable ability to regenerate the gut lining after injury. When these stem cells are lost, other nearby cells can revert to a primitive state, similar to that of a fetus, to replenish the stem cell pool. This complex process is regulated by molecular signals, including the well-known Wnt signaling pathway. Any disruption to this regeneration chain can halt the healing process. Professor Gisou van der Goot and her team at EPFL's Laboratory of Cell and Membrane Biology have uncovered a hidden role for CMG2 in this intricate healing process. Using a mouse model of HFS, they discovered that while the gut appears normal under everyday conditions, it fails to regenerate after injury. This finding provides crucial insights into the life-threatening intestinal problems seen in severe HFS cases. The research, published in EMBO Molecular Medicine, reveals that CMG2 is not necessary for the gut's normal maintenance, but becomes essential when tissue damage occurs. Without CMG2, the critical Wnt signaling pathway fails to activate during regeneration, preventing the restoration of the stem cell pool. This discovery may explain why HFS patients with severe CMG2 mutations experience life-threatening diarrhea following intestinal stress. But here's where it gets controversial. The study suggests that CMG2 acts as a context-specific amplifier of Wnt signaling during injury. This finding has broader implications for regenerative medicine and diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, where stem cell replenishment is vital. It raises the question, could manipulating CMG2 and Wnt signaling be a potential therapeutic strategy for these conditions? And this is the part most people miss: the intricate dance between genes, molecular signals, and cellular regeneration. It's a fascinating glimpse into the body's remarkable ability to heal itself. So, what do you think? Could this discovery lead to new treatments for rare disorders and common diseases alike? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.